Day 4, relaxed rhythm and exploration. On Day 4, we slow down the pace and focus on enjoying Vienna at a more leisurely rhythm while discovering some hidden gems. Morning, historic cafe and unique architecture. Start your day with breakfast at a historic cafe. A visit to Demel, the Imperial Confectionery, is highly recommended. This iconic spot offers a variety of traditional pastries, including their famous Schokotorte, served in a beautifully preserved 19th century setting. Enjoy the elegance and the taste of Viennese history. After breakfast, head to the Hundertwasserhaus, a striking and colorful architectural masterpiece by the artist Friedensreich Hundertwasser. This unique building defies conventional design with its vibrant facades, irregular shapes, and integration of greenery. Take your time to explore the surrounding area, which includes art galleries and small shops. Next, enjoy a peaceful stroll through the Stadtpark. This beautiful park is home to the Golden Monument of Johann Strauss, one of the most photographed landmarks in Vienna. The tranquil atmosphere and lush greenery make it an ideal spot for relaxation and capturing memorable photos. Afternoon, modern dining and shopping adventures. For lunch, explore the culinary scene in neighborhoods like Mariahilf or Neubau, known for their contemporary restaurants and creative cuisine. These districts offer a modern twist on traditional Austrian flavors, with plenty of options for every palate. After lunch, spend your afternoon shopping or exploring. Mariahilfer Strasse, Vienna's main shopping street, is perfect for those looking to visit popular stores and boutiques. If you prefer something more unique, wander through the side streets and discover local designer shops and vintage treasures. Neubau, in particular, is known for its eclectic mix of indie boutiques and concept stores. Evening, Danube River Cruise. End your day with a magical Danube River Cruise. Board a boat and enjoy a delightful dinner as you sail along the illuminated river, admiring the city skyline at night. This relaxing experience offers a perfect blend of fine dining and breathtaking views, creating an unforgettable finale to your Vienna journey. As we wrap up Day 4, remember to savor every moment of this relaxed yet enriching itinerary. Whether you're indulging in traditional pastries, discovering architectural wonders, or enjoying a serene evening on the Danube, Vienna continues to charm and inspire. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.